kids, today we are going to learn about Earth's geological timeline. This timeline is about how life on Earth started. To understand this, we first need to know that the timeline is divided into eons. Those eons are further divided into eras, and eras are divided into periods. Now, today we are going to study about the Phanerozoic Aeon, which spans for 542 million years, and it is divided into three eras. The first one is Paleozoic era, also called the ancient life, which started 542 million years ago. Life started with Cambrian explosion. Echinoderms, trilobites, and jawless fish roamed around. Tetrapods crawled out of the ocean and started living on land. Insects began to spread along with reptiles. It is further divided into 7 periods, which are Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian, and Precambrian. Now, next came the Mesozoic era, where dinosaurs prospered. It is divided further into 3 periods, which are Cretaceous, Jurassic, and Triassic. Next, and the last came Cenozoic era, the one which is going on, also called the age of flowering plants or the age of mammals. It is further divided into 3 periods, which are Quaternary, Neogene, and Paleogene. Now, to make our own geologic timeline of the Earth, the material required will be white sheets, sketch pens, pencil colors or crayons, scissors, stapler or glue. The geological timeline of the Earth, what we are going to do is, we are going to take a sheet of white paper and fold it into half like this. So, once I have folded, now what I am going to do is, I am going to take a pen and draw 8 lines like this. So, the first line will be the biggest and the last line will be the smallest one, like this. So that's how you're going to make 8 lines. This is how the lines will look like. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fold the sheet like this. I'm going to take the scissors and I'm just going to cut the vertical lines. I'm not going to cut this line, just the 2 parallel lines for each rectangle. Once they are cut out, this is how they are going to look like. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to settle my paper like this, and the lines which I've cut out, I'll put them like this, so that the line stands on its own like this, and I'll do this for every line. Now this is how our base of timeline will look like. Once this is done, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep it aside. Now let's make the animals for the timeline. So since we know the first era was the Paleozoic era, so for that what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to take a white sheet of paper, I'm going to take sketch pen and I'm going to make few drawings. The first one I'm going to draw is a bacteria or algae. So I'll do like this. You can draw any way you like. I am making just rough figures. Now maybe a jellyfish, something like this. Normal fishes. You can make fishes any way you like. I'll make 2 fishes here. Now next I'm going to make a tree. For the same Paleozoic era. Now for Mesozoic era, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw a dinosaur. So I'm going to draw 2 dinosaurs here, like this. You can draw it any way you like. And another dinosaur. I'm going to draw a bird dinosaur. And for the last phase, Cenozoic era, I'm going to make one human, which was the mammal stage. And this is the human figure. And what I'm going to do is, next I'm going to draw an elephant. So once all my figures are made, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to color them out and cut them out. And once they are cut, they will look something like this. So as you can see, I have not perfectly cut them out. I have just cut them out roughly. The white boundary is still visible. So that is how everything will look like. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm again going to take back this paper and first I'll decorate it out. So maybe what I can do is, I can take a blue sketch pen and make waves on first half like this. And then maybe take another green color sketch pen and make waves on second half. You can decorate it as you like. It's your geological timeline. And on the heading, I'll write geological timeline of Earth. Now, since my first four rectangles will represent the Paleozoic era, so I'll label them out. The first four triangle represents Paleozoic era and the next two represents Mesozoic era. I'll write Mesozoic era over here. And the last two lines will represent Cenozoic era, so I'll write Cenozoic over here. Now I will also mention all the periods as I told you before, which comes in each era, that is Quaternary, Neogene and Paleogene, and same in Mesozoic and same in Paleozoic. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep my stand like this, take one rectangle out, and the first thing I'm going to paste is my bacteria. So this is my stand, and let's take the first triangle out like this, and I'm going to paste it over here. When all the pasting and everything is done, my final timeline will look like this. So see, this is the geological timeline of Earth. Here I have pasted, or I have even stapled all the diagrams, and below I have mentioned the eras and the periods. So this is how your timeline will look like, and you can decorate it as you